As you can see, everything is already optimized and prepared. We click done, and now we can clean, because I selected edit mesh, right? So we can clean the mesh, we can use the plane to cut the mesh, to get rid of some areas that are not important, or to get rid of too many, um, for example, soft tissue or areas that we don't need for our design. We can see here if our plane is properly set, the cut plane. I can adjust the position, the plane, that's fine. So all this area is gonna be cut, and that's very important because I want as less data as possible, but a clean model. Also, when we close the mesh, then I have a clean edge of our mesh. Very important, we need enough soft tissue, so don't cut too low because we need enough soft tissue to create the design, to create the model, to create the mock-up. Good, we have a clean cut. I like it. And now we calibrate the picture with the intraoral scan, which will create the digital patient. So digital records plus calibration creates the digital patient, and we will use the digital patient for our designs. The calibration follows the way we know. We set 3 points on the intraoral scan. We set 3 points on the incisal edges, something that is very, very clear to see, so that the points are as accurate as possible, like this, and we calibrate. When the points are accurate enough, then we don't need to readjust the calibration, but in my case, I need to readjust the calibration. It was not the perfect 3 points that I was expecting, but we have the tools here, and with the tools we can move, rotate, and we can calibrate our case. As you can see here, the calibration is pretty good. Yes, that's fine. A little bit of rotation, and now I save our case. At this stage, we send the intraoral scan to the cloud, and the AI modules are gonna do the segmentation on the intraoral scan, analyze the position of the teeth, analyze the incisal edges, and with all this data that we gather from the cloud, we will consider this data in creating the automated 3D design, the simplified mockup, and so on. As soon as the cloud has analyzed the models, these two icons will become active, and you will be able to use these new features in for your Smile design. So now we are gonna wait until everything is sent to the cloud, and the cloud is analyzing and finalizing all the processes that we need, and then these two icons will become active, and we can continue with our project.